Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Download apps to your Android device. Open Google Play. On your phone, use the Play Store app. Find an app you want. To check that the app is reliable, find out what other people say about it. Under the app's title, check the star ratings and the number of downloads. When you pick an app, tap Install for free apps or the app's price.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Huawei phones, Amazon tablets, and Google Pixel phones all run Android, but one of those groups of devices doesn't have access to the Google Play Store, and another could lose it very soon. The AOSP is primarily maintained and developed by engineers at Google, and is itself based on open-source Linux software.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Because Android apps don't run on iOS, there's no way to run the full Google Play Store on an iPhone or iPad. But that's not the end of the story. Google does offer the Google Play Movies and TV app for iOS, as well as Google Play Music, and Google Play Books.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Get Android apps and digital content from the Google Play Store. On your device, open Google Play Store. Or visit the Google Play Store on a web browser. Search or browse for content. Select an item. Select Install or the item's price. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction and get the content.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to download and install the Google Play Store. Step 1. Check your current version. Promoted. Step 2. Download Google Play Store via an APK. It's a pretty self-explanatory step. Step 3. Deal with security permissions. Step 4. Use a file manager and install the Google Play Store. Step 5. Disable unknown sources.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.